guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Xanthe Naomi if you're new, and as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. So if you guys are new, then you guys know that your girl has been needing a new laptop, okay? Because the one I had previously, currently still, I guess you can say, it's just not it. At least not what I needed to be for like the things that I do. So your girl has decided to upgrade, and thank God that I was able to, because it was tough out in these streets. So let's just go ahead and jump into the video. Okay guys, so this is the secondary packing. I know they want to protect it and all, but this is a lot of packaging. So this. Okay guys, so this is how it looks straight out of the packaging. Well, not out of the packaging, but out of the box that it came in. So just a little bit about the specs of the laptop I got. This is like the very first and most basic MacBook Pro that you could get. I got the MacBook Pro 14-inch with 16GB unified memory with 512 gigabyte SSD. And it is with the M1 Pro chip, if anybody was interested in knowing the specs. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Okay, now the unboxing. So I'm just gonna pull this out and just show you guys what comes in the box. First we have the, I guess, manual. I don't know, I never know what this is for. I never use it, never even open it, to be honest with you, but I guess it's like a manual of some sort telling you about what you bought. Then it comes with this cable, and I don't know if you guys can like see that, but very different from the other from my other MacBook. I have the MacBook Air and it's just a regular. I think this one is like more protective. It's supposed to be, at least I think so. And as you guys can see, it also comes with like this. I don't know if you guys know, but the other, like the older MacBooks used to come with this, and it's like the magnetic charger, so you can just connect it easier to your laptop. And then it comes with this huge block, which is really nice. I like it. So we just connect it like that, and bam, we have our charger. Okay guys, I haven't opened the laptop as yet. I just wanted to give you guys some of my first impressions. So this is what the laptop is looking like. I did get it in space gray because I just really like space gray. So first off, I used to have the MacBook Air, and that was really light and compact. Honestly, I was at a crossroads with purchasing this MacBook Pro with the M1 chip or the MacBook Pro with the M2 chip. Crossroads with it because of what they both offered, but in the end I chose this one because it just offered more for me. Because I do YouTube, because I'm a student. Well, I'm not a student right now, but I will be a student again soon, and just for my day-to-day life. So I just bought this one because it suited me better. Before I open the computer, I just want to show you guys some of the accessories I bought for it. So the first thing I bought were these camera covers, and I have always used these. I really like them. It just makes me feel more safe and secure when I'm using my computer. To each their own, okay? But I bought these, and the other ones that I had were kind of like rounded. These are more square, and I just feel like they look a bit better. if you ask me. So went ahead and bought a screen protector. I was also like at a crossroads of which one to get. I wanted to get like the privacy screen ones, but they were like $40. Why would I ever pay $40 for a screen protector when I think I bought this one for like 12? Anyway, so I bought this one. Maybe in the future I'll buy the privacy one, but for right now, this is what I'm getting. And then lastly, I bought a case. And I feel like the case is the most important part. Well, one of the most important parts. And I wanted to go for something that was like professional, but still girly, but also like not too girly. So I just went ahead and bought like this. I don't even know if you guys can see, but it's like crocodile design. It's so cute, and I bought it in white. And this also comes with like a keypad for the keyboard, obviously. First, this is what I'm gonna put on my computer because I don't want my fingerprints all over it, okay? Because, well, that is how it is looking. It's so cute. Okay, time to take first look at the actual computer. Isn't she gorgeous? She is. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and place this on here, just because I don't want my fingerprints to get all over it. And it's really seamless. Like, you probably can't even tell how like that is on there if you were asking me. I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly start to set this up. Hey guys, so I finally set everything up and this is how it's looking. So I already realized that I put some fingerprints on my screen and I don't like that. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply this screen protector. So now it's really time to personalize this to the way that I like. For starters, I think I'm going to go ahead and change my background, my desktop picture. So I already made my background preferences. So I'm gonna get rid of stuff on my dock, change it to how I want it to be. So I guess for starters, I can go ahead and get rid of all of these things down here because I don't use all of them. I don't even use half of them. So I've heard that the speakers on this computer were better. Okay, so I just went to YouTube to find a non-copyrighted song so they don't copyright me for this video. Guys, like that's pretty loud. Like the speakers are wrong. basically finished setting everything up. I just really want to put this, let's see, I don't even know what to call it, thing on, just because I'm paranoid, that's why. Okay guys, so that concludes today's video. I am definitely about to go ahead and play around with this computer because why not? So far I really love it. I'm happy with my purchase. I have a few videos to edit, so I'm gonna go ahead and download Final Cut Pro, do all of that jazz, and see how it works. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.